So
Should I
let's move
start?
on to speaking part two. Describe an item on which you spent more than expected.
Recently, my phone was broke down and I had to buy a new phone. I considered various models, but ultimately, I decided to buy an iPhone. I think I made that purchase because of the brand's name and my husband's reviews. The phone was more costlier than I expect. It was priced 2,50,000, but I still went for it because I wanted to own it iPhone. Previously, I had used Samsung phone, but all my friends and family told me that the Apple phone is way far better than Samsung in quality. After buying it, I realized that the Apple is better than Android phone, and the quality of the camera and the faster result, and it looks more attractive than Android phone.
Okay, 56 seconds. So you
Okay.
need to try to speak a little more,
Okay.
add some more details to it. It'll be fine then. Now, we have speaking part three. Do you often buy more than you expect?
Yes, most of time, like females like love to buy clothes and footwears and jewelry and all. Then though, always I spend more than I expect.
Okay, this is rather a short answer. You can just add some more sentences to it,
Okay,
okay? All right, thank you.
you're welcome. Thank you.